na fei Kwabena Marfo asem what ka say na we na ehye we kutu pa me pa cho. We are very intellectual. The National Council is made up of 29 people.
Ebusiafo nurses and midwives nansen yebeka ya omo equal strike and then Ghana for innocent your friends and people efana ewi and then nurses equal strike because hospitals in the juma doctors who are here in the work of one ya support ne say what say condition of service dia omone abandon and ko en aban fufu we buy what to nani are where you need so opinion where you from on person be kasa omo no atwe school prefect Danny home prefect honorable Minta Kano health minister also until was no monti as there ya ne ntimi ya sabio nkruntu djuma kwase djuma na mono monje es gracia akese na parliament house na Flagstaff house in this case ne so ya brand e be strike and in same esi wo Ghana yesem ketwa amanfo wo famu na won na wo ma mu yesem ketwa omo asanso abemma warning say strike no de bakra de sim first no na ede omo pani baako eko neat FM and Magere ko di nkomo e wo Ghana muntie so na pa political show awo mo ye wo neat FM na Kwabena Marfo and already anapa newspaper munsem no already na say nurses for asem de tom Kwabena Marfo say hey neta ya park ke be a nurses for no say disease mo ko strike be e mo den
station for wo secretary ni dey on friend dey within crime and obeba no so person oba beto
o meto me obeba na meko o meto me obeba na meko
eno so dey be no
watia man kofu ewu awi a efe na mo be ye den o mre nipa wo mutia tua wo mu wuye no wo ma akonya ne wo ma babak
Kwabena
wo ma akonya ne wo ma babak
na tua no mu fiti anom ko tia tua
woni aban wa asem a adan na wo de punish citizens woni aban e wa asem adan na wo gina saade no a woni aban wo no so e de punish citizens na wo ma wu awie no nipa na ewu ye no wo be sand wo ma babak
okay wo mo de
na penny ba ko kopie mu adwumade no so na yeso ne Kwabena Marfo de ayi munga mu o chese Kwabena Marfo de zemu no obi enu ho so obi nachi e ka so obi nko strike na sabio hwan e na wo so mu nani ma wonpe wo adwu won na wote wo ya adwuma wo tua wo kasa ne ese obi an so obi anachi NPP ni bi an so obi anachi so wo pin obi so nko strike ado mo sabio mu nim nyansa e na ni pen kwa no mu di duago so obi so mu achi mpia obi obi Kwabena Marfo ya study yenti e reply eye friend say ni pay oda nurses na midwives impenifo ni bi ede etuja
Minded and can just strike cry a bosso, especially within the health sector. Because minya obi hwere ne kwa untimi ko fama
ya untimi san fama
so entiasa ban put to the health of the nation above the economy. It took us a mitua we manage for economy no it means that you are prioritizing the economy over the life of the people of Ghana. But what is that supposed to mean? Ejimefo say omoni ani and I fei Kwabena Marfo asem what ka say na we na ehye we kutu pa me pa cho. We are very intellectual. The National Council is made up of 29 people. Chairman and secretary of all the 10 administrative regions. Old administrative regions. We are not following the politicians. Plus the 9 national executives. So, enipa 29. The owohwa ne qualification any so cry a master's degree. Okay. Your lawyer form, your PhD holders home, your people of double masters home, and see how many nipa be obet me a push your mind on me and strike. Now only MDC for a good national council, and only MPP for a good national council. Yen panifo na ya adwen say na you see one good thing about nurses and midwives for Ghana and say ye their professional edi kan politicians no be bako 4 years no more be trust no bako gi esgracia acho mutum politician esgracia obeje no 4 years no nurse ni we adwuma 39 years 40 years doctor ni we adwuma 35 years ekra enya 20% of that amount for the period me can nurse for the midwife for doctor for pharmacy for esika omdi kofia Ubesu Magere. I'm telling you. Entina honorable Akando Kazo retired nurses and midwives for no emrana ne ho ye mesere. Omubufu afu kra ya senketo. Ana omote ono pepa be ne ye ma omo. Ohwepa be ne de hwe omo. No nti no makotena via omo sika omo de to hypertension ya duro munya. O sa from so me yeduma. No jina ono obuhwe a o we da hwe no.
Tell the na or patcho minister or hwia enye say otum say enoma ya ginsemo enti or
say so be you see twenia ni da ho na abonchen say say obet si ekro nani amia amakro na wu no one na no de ezu egugu ho ada na wontimi mfre ne entra se na yen ka say oh minua me ko hu minua ato force ana me ko hu minister for finance na ya isi ada no mudi entro ada no man kan kan kire say e bi ada ne amfa nche budget ni ada mfo say enkwara ana asesen
enti momo dia ne say wo mo ka kire mo earlier say wo mo ntimi fa sha budget ni mo a na nanka enya ade a mo benya so much problem
sana nanka beche ya adwen ho enka
the party for wasn't me because mother o mase na make we nyina no we bana me we Ghana for nyina a very brand new morning a very 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 brand new morning na me we Ghana for nyina kire se ene wo hwe dia besensin kuruma almost the new patriotic party any party a nyame adoma 2028 ese ba ba mo ye betima ba ba mo a gise won kabo mu soronko ye tima ba ba mo ene die hu party mu ya ma enwuma ayede na maye enu nti na babunu ene ye nwama mu nyina kase se mpanyimfo a nkofo nim se ombetima begina brane abo party no so mu ntimi nye de ye de a party ya kan da say ye pass bi na we have the men oniba the men no nipa mienu pe ye guso aye ka say men na de bia ye kan nipa mienu pe enu ntira yewura brand champion ayi ni tie
na sembe kre ni
enu ntira yewura brand champion ayi ni tiri asante mem ha mrante bibire ni mabawa bibire yi ka say nipa mienu no nja ntokwa ne konde ya you go for the alternative and the alternative is yewura brand champion what you say
Dr. Why not champion one man blow
why the alternative is brand champion why ba ntokwa no I say go for bebre ye to mu for titan for ye to mu for dem so mu nyai omoni beba omo ho so no omo twa omachi no na obi ani omachi
yes
party we will not leave it to the two
adai
we will not do it
supporters mo nko
and until ye mu bi one man we are not moved by material things we are moved by conviction and if the party will be stronger we will need somebody whose vision is clear and wants to lead this party to victory here by champion actually say he's not in to test power. And before we say we should wait, he's for the future. No, he's not for the future, he's for the now. Because media, as one say example, I'll continue to say it. Because a buffo and go for the social media, and Montre air cano. A buffo no ketwabio. Say you could you rakena. The Baumia people will sit idle. And if the Baumia people about 2024 elections, they can't as a coach. Nana don't go for good will and all within the party. No. Nobody has it again now. It's only unity that can give any candidate we select that kind of a chitaya na yuru akufo, a chitaya na yuru another danko for the war. But these two candidates, omochita for no, and ya dia omo chere se party no, a bit more. It is omo there party ya kadebia say we have the men. And yuru brand champion chere say he's logistically prepared, emotionally prepared. We are prepared to move this party forward.
Dr. Why not champion say
ideologically inclined.
Back in workers here we why say umwa okatache program no precisely so
oheba unim oheba
bia amoko
oheba anopai na wokasi
bia amoko
anopai na wokasi mi say adoma be
Bishop of GBC GCR also take ways right the alternative is Brian Chambo
yes oheba yeru adoma ko be fi asem na atu no ne on ko na atu no ene say uko obi ye program MPP ni ye program now your party no be so ko tie keke kura no a
untimi nko
ene na party Germany yesa adenti say ja party man yesa say bia Dr. Mamudu Awumia baba bi na me se me kwa na obi akwa track ma yeru Brian Champo say wakoda na odi wachi na wo ye campaign man no ene de wakoba Awumia o is that how this party was nurtured in the past yemu bi ho no ma we are not moved by say ehun obi atimi hu na ye party no nye hu ene de tete party no it is anyu man